and welcome to MRD Future Tech, where we make your life easy with AI automations. Today I'm going to show you how to take a video and convert it into a transcript using make.com, making your life much easier. Let's dive in. So we're going to create a scenario when you logged into your make.com. And the first thing you want to do is create a module, or add a module rather, called Google Drive. So we're going to show more, and we're going to say watch files in a folder. Okay, we want this to be a trigger, so it will trigger whenever a file is uploaded onto your Google Drive in a specific folder. It will watch these files and thereafter do what it needs to do. So we're going to pick that. We're obviously going to add our account to it. So I'm just going to sign in with my email address. Okay. We allow make.com to have access to our account. And it's connected. So I'm going to watch files by the created time. I'm going to choose my drive. And in the selected folder, I'm going to say, let's see if it picks up, recent news snippets. Okay. I'm going to limit it to one. I don't want it to look for more than one video every time a new video gets uploaded. Say for instance, I upload more than 2 in a day or more than 1 in a day. I want it to pick just one of it. You can limit it as much as you would like. This is just my preference. I'm going to save. I'm going to choose from now on, and I'm going to save it. So once you've done that, you want to add another Google Drive module to your scenario. Here you're going to say download a file. All right. So we're going to say enter manually. And if you enter the file, we take in the file ID from the previous module. Okay, and then we're going to say save. Now we're going to add a cloud convert. So what this does is that it will take the downloaded file as an MP4, and we want to convert the MP4 file into an MP3 file. Okay, just because when it comes to transcripting, it would be easier for our module to read an MP3 rather than an MP4. Okay. So we're going to search for cloud convert, and we're going to say convert a file. All right. Here we're going to create a connection. Now, obviously you have to go to your cloud convert account. If you haven't signed up, sign up for it. If you have signed up, please log in with your credentials. And when you've logged in, we're going to head to our dashboard. We come down to authorization and API keys. So here we're going to create a new key. We'll just call it make.com test. Okay. And then we're going to click each one of these boxes, because if you're using it again, make.com can read any of these, any of the ticked boxes. All right. We're going to say create, and it's going to give us this whole code. So I'm going to copy this entire code here. Copy it. You want to keep this key that's copied on a separate document, just so you have it on access all the time, okay, whenever you need it. So I'm just going to open a Google Docs, and I'm just going to keep it in that. Okay, and I'm just going to call it on the top, so I know, cloud convert API key. All right. And then once we've copied that, when we go to create a connection type, we're going to convert with API key. Excuse me. And then we're going to paste the API key in it, and we're going to say save. All right. I'll save it to my computer. Then the input file, you want to say upload a file. Okay. And here under file, you're going to say Google Drive, download a file. So it's basically taking it from the previous module. Under format, you're going to say, I don't know the input format, because you don't really know whether it's going to be MP4 or MOV, all of those formats. So it's rather safer to put, I don't know the format. So Cloud Convert can pick the format up, right? And then the output I'm going to say is MP3. So I'm just going to search for it. File name, I'm going to give it the name here. And I'm going to say save, right? Okay, I think I left value empty. Let me just see. Conversion name, and I'm going to say MP3 to it, all right? And I'm going to say save. From here, I'm going to connect ChatGPT. So what ChatGPT is going to do, it's going to allow us to create a text, okay? So we're going to say create a transcription. So it transcribes an audio to text. So where we get our audio from, when Cloud converts it from an MP4 into an MP3, this then will be sent to ChatGPT, and it will create a transcription. So here you want to say, you want to click on file, you want to click the Cloud Convert, where it converted it from an MP4 to MP3 for us. We want to give it a prompt. So we were going to say transcribe, oops, I must start an N there. Transcribe the MP3 to text, okay? And we're going to say save, okay? We left some digits or spaces empty. Let's just check. Okay, it should be fine. And then our last module we're adding is a Google Docs. So Google Docs, we're going to say create a document. Ultimately, this is going to create the text. It's going to put all the text that ChatGPT transcribes for you from the Cloud Convert MP3, and it's going to put it all in the Google Docs. So here we're going to just scroll right till we see the ChatGPT. Excuse me. And once we have it, here it is. So we just map the text into it. Content, we're going to say, so content, we're just going to say name, and we're going to say transcripts from MP3, okay? And we're going to choose the location of it. So I'm just going to choose the same location. So the Google Docs will be stored in the same location on my drive. And I'm going to say save. Now, when I come onto my drive, I'm just going to add in a new snippet just to see if it works. So it's uploading. We're going to give it time for it to upload. Now, you also want to make sure when you put in a new snippet on your drive, you want to make sure that it's not restricted. So take off the restriction, otherwise your module won't run. Then you have to save your module. So save your module, or your scenario rather. Save your scenario as much as possible, just so if something happens to your computer or I don't know, anything could happen, right? But you know your scenario would be saved. That goes for all work rather. Okay, so we have our scenario here. Let's run once. And there you have it, from uploading a video to your Google Drive to transcribing it into text. We have it right here, step by step. I hope you do enjoy this video. And if you have, follow us for more content like this and subscribe, hit the like button and share this video with as many people as you know. Thank you for watching.